Hello friends, welcome back in one more video, and today we are going to discuss subject verb agreement part 2. If you have missed part 1, link has been shared in description, you can go through. Now let us talk about approach. As usual, first of all we should spot verb, after that apply rules, and remember we are discussing rules. Then spot subject. As per rule we should identify subject and then we should eliminate option or options. So rule number 2 is before first comma. Sentence is diabetes together with its serious complications ranks as the nation's third leading cause of death, surpassed only by heart disease and cancer. So here what is ranking? What is verb? Verb is ranks. If verb falls just after comma, in that case subject will be before first comma. Rule number 2, if verb falls just after comma, in that case subject will be before first comma. So it's mean now the subject is diabetes, and diabetes is name of disease, and that is why it is singular, and ranks singular. You know that when we add ses with verb it becomes singular. So diabetes ranks, fine. Look at option rank. If we do not add ses with verb it becomes plural. Diabetes singular, rank plural, that is why incorrect. Are cannot be used. Why? Because it is plural. Have cannot be used. Why? Because it is plural. So A becomes best option. Remember, if there is phrase before first comma, in that case rule will be before first preposition. As usual, first of all we have to identify verb. Sleight of hand, also known as prestidigitation or are a set of techniques used by musicians to manipulate objects such as cards and coins. So what is verb here? Verb is are. Look here, verb should be just after comma. In that case rule number 2 will be applied. Look here, comma, and before comma there is phrase. So if there is no phrase, subject will be just the previous of comma. But in case of phrase, if there is phrase before first comma, subject will be before first preposition. And that is why here subject is slay. Slay singular, are plural, that is why it is incorrect. Slay are no, it should be slay is. So option A out, option B okay, but C were. Look here, slay were no, slay was could be the possibility. So out, and D have no, out. Why? Because it should be has. So B becomes best option. So people, if you liked, to write something in comment box, and yes, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for your patience.